Tumipampa, located in Peru, is a promising project operated by Dynacor and is one of the latest discoveries in a country rich in minerals. This is a map of South America. The brown area represents the Andean range. As you can see, between Peru and Chile, there is a deflection where the range is wider and deeper, thus creating favorable conditions for ore deposits. More than 50% of the world production of copper comes from this productive region, and Tumipampa is located here. Likewise, Tumipampa lies between two important belts well known in Peru, the gold-silver belt and the copper belt. That is why Tumipampa has those two kinds of mineralized zones. In the copper belt, there are giant mining projects, just to mention a few: Los Chancas, Las Bambas, Constancia, and Tintaya, operated by important international companies such as Southern Peru Copper Corporation, MMG Limited, Hudbay, and Glencore. In the gold-silver belt, there are important gold mines operated by Peruvian companies, Buenaventura and Hochschild. There are two ways of getting to Tumipampa. One is by road from Lima to Nazca, and from Nazca to Abancay. The second is from Lima to Cusco by plane, and from Cusco to Abancay by road. It is almost 3 hours by road from Abancay to Tumipampa. Dynacor has claims covering 4,866 hectares. Surrounding Tumipampa, there are many companies, and there is no land left to be claimed. In the north, you have Bear Creek. In the east, Buenaventura. In the west, Southern Peru Copper Corporation. In the south, Meridian Gold and Barrick. This is the tri-dimensional view of the Tumipampa project. The brown area represents the skarn, which is 4 kilometers long. The red lines indicate the veins and the disseminated area, which is located here. As you can see, there are high grades of gold all over the property. To continue, we will show a picture of this part of the skarn, but no diamond drill holes have been carried out yet. It is interesting to note that in this area there is evidence of mining activities from colonial times, including a chimney 12 meters deep. They produced high grades of gold and copper. As well as in these two areas, there is more evidence of mining activities from the colonial period. In Vein A, in the Esperanza vein, in the Escondida vein, and there are also massive loose rocks coming from the outcrop of these veins. For example, this rock revealed 8 grams of gold per ton. Now we will show you a close-up of this area in order to emphasize the details. In this photo, we can see evidence of mining activities in veins A and B. There are also old stockpiles close to the river, giving evidence of intensive mining activity in the past with high grades of gold. In this area, there are 6 important veins: the Manto Dorado, Vein 1, the Porvenir vein, Vein A, Vein B, and the Rosa vein. These veins were explored in 3 stages, in 2001, 2008, and 2011, using diamond drill holes. For example, diamond drill hole 1 revealed 20 grams of gold per ton. Diamond drill hole 2 revealed 8 grams of gold per ton, and diamond drill hole 6 revealed 12 grams of gold per ton. As you can see, these results were so encouraging that we decided to explore and develop these veins in 2013 with a crosscut. This is the entrance to the crosscut, which was built in 2013. From this crosscut, we developed the Manto Dorado with a gallery, and which led to the discovery of high grades of gold. For example, this channel sampling revealed 111.5 grams per ton of gold, and this other channel 64.9 grams per ton of gold. This crosscut, which we spoke about just now, is 300 meters long. It revealed the Manto Dorado with 22 grams of gold per ton over 5 meters. From the top of this crosscut, we carried out 8 diamond drill holes in order to discover the potential and depth of the Manto Dorado and the other veins. These results surpassed our expectations. For example, diamond drill hole 2 revealed 115 grams of gold per ton over 1.1 meters, and diamond drill hole 8 revealed 122 grams of gold per ton over 0.7 meters. That is why we decided to continue the crosscut to reach the 700-meter mark. And from the top, to continue exploring these veins in depth. We are confident of finding ore bodies in the intersection between the veins and the Manto Dorado. These expectations are supported by the geophysical results. According to these results, the mineralization in the Manto Dorado is currently open at depth and strike. In this view, we can also see a series of diamond drill holes and the second crosscut, which we will begin in a few months, in order to explore and develop the Manto Dorado in the northern extension. We will also explore the Rosa vein and the Porvenir vein with galleries and chimneys. We expect to carry out these explorations in the next 20 months, with the objective of publishing Tumipampa's first NI 43-101 resource calculation. According to the geophysical study, there is another ore body half a kilometer away in the northeastern extension of these mining activities, which we are currently carrying out. This suggests that there are many targets to be explored in this project, which offers strong possibilities of discovering additional gold resources. To conclude, we will explain to you the promising disseminated zone. In this area, you can see veins, mantos, breccias, important faults, and exoskarn near the Tumipampa anticlinal. All of these have important anomalies of gold on the outcrop. Because of its geological complexity, this area could be the richest in Tumipampa. In addition, these expectations are confirmed by the geophysical study. The gold anomalies discovered so far are related to the chargeability anomaly. There are 6 important geophysical anomalies. Likewise, according to the geophysical studies, there are great possibilities of finding ore bodies in depth below the high grades of gold related to the breccias, skarn, and faults. And that makes it feasible to explore these promising targets with diamond drill holes. It remains for us to say, the outlook for our company is promising and the future looks bright indeed.